If you had $5,000 to start a business right now, here's what I'd personally do. I wouldn't open a restaurant, wouldn't buy a franchise, not realistic anyway. I wouldn't start a retail store. I'd build an Amazon FBA business because it can be launched for a fraction of the cost and operated from virtually anywhere. If you haven't heard of this business before, don't worry. I created a free training that runs you from the basics of the business all the way to finding your first product and then learning how to market and launch them on Amazon. See, I've helped thousands of sellers since 2013 start, grow, and scaling an Amazon FBA business to earn sustainable income even while working a full-time job. In fact, I believe the best time to start a business is not when you're at your lowest point and desperate for money. I think it's the best time to start a business when things are going pretty well and you're comfortable with your job, or at least happy that you're making a recurring income. If you build the business while you're employed, you can build something in your spare time that over the next couple of years might end up being the safety net you need if your position becomes redundant or if you end up wanting to quit. If you wait until you're unhappy to start a business, you'll probably rush through the process and make too many mistakes to overcome. So I'd say start now, build it right, and maybe, just maybe, you'll put yourself in a position to build a freedom lifestyle business that allows you to travel more, quit your job, or just have more cash in your accounts. Can I guarantee that you'll succeed? Absolutely not. But the training is free, and if you looked into this business model before, I bet you're going to see how this sets you up for success better than anything you've seen to date. Go ahead and click the link below to reserve your spot.